Este es el paquete de interés, este es el detalle. Si caliente está la cera, más caliente está la calle.
Mira, llegó el son cubano.
Hola mi gente and welcome back to the channel. This is Sean from We Are Investing, a channel that is dedicated in investing and personal finance. On this video, I want to go over a stock that I think has massive potential. This stock can definitely squeeze and you could see massive returns on your investment or your trade depending on how you play this, because this stock, this company can actually also be a long-term investment. Yes, that's right. So the risk to reward ratio, in my personal opinion, is extremely favorable with CLOV, and that is why I think it's a great stock to trade or invest in depending on your portfolio, depending on your preference. Now, I am not managing your money. I am not your financial advisor. So whatever happens in the stock market, you need to take responsibility for. You need to do your own due diligence and you need to be smart with your money. Always consider what the risk is and always consider what the reward is. Consider what the risk to reward ratio is and play as you will. But in my personal opinion, I definitely think that this stock has a lot of potential. Now, I posted this stock play on two places, the Patreon and the Discord. Both of those you get access through the Patreon. But on the Discord, we talk about stocks and crypto every single day. There is a lot of discussion happening, so sometimes trades can get lost in the chat. I also posted on the Patreon, and in there, I gave some reasons why I think CLOV is a great short squeeze, and I'm going to elaborate on all those reasons in this video. The first is obviously the short interest. If you take a look at highshortinterest.com, you can see that it is number 2 on the list. First one was Workhorse, and that already saw a squeeze. CLOV has not seen a squeeze yet, and it is primed to do so. Also, if you take a look at an article from the Motley Fool, they say that CLOV could be the next short squeeze after AMC Entertainment. And they also say that it is heavily undervalued stock. So this is the kind of play that I like. I like a stock that has some value play to it and also has a great potential of a short squeeze. And for those reasons alone, I think Clover Health can be a massive play. Now, if we take a look at the chart for Clover Health, we can see that we are well below the highs that we experienced back in early January at $18. That was not a squeeze if you ask me. That was just a SPAC hype. SPACs were booming at the time, and this is a Chamath SPAC as well. So if you believe in Chamath, that's an added bonus to CLOV. Now, if we get back to $18, we're trading right now at $9. So that would be a 2x on your money. But if you play the option side of this, that would be more than 2x massive returns. Now, an ideal price target right now, and this could change based on some other stocks and how they are responding off of their short squeeze. Another similar company would be Bed Bath & Beyond. It's very similar in market cap and is also very similar in short interest. Bed Bath & Beyond squeezed 80+% off of its squeeze, and it could continue to go up over the next couple of days. But if we take 80% off of where this stock was trading before it had a nice little bump at around $8, we can get a price target of around $13, $14, and that would be nice returns as well. And like I said earlier in this video, if you play the option side of things, those returns will be nasty. Now, the premiums right now are not too high in the options for CLOV, which also helps with that risk to reward ratio. So you need to figure out how much money you're willing to spend, how much money you're willing to lose in this situation, and also the further you take those options out, the better chance you will have. Now, if you think CLOV is a good stock long term, then there is nothing stopping you from investing in the common shares and just adding to it over time, or you can buy some leap call options. A leap is just a call option that is way out in expiration date, and it's usually good to buy those in the money, spend a little bit more, and that way when the stock does move 1, 2, 3 years from now, you have 100 shares leverage on those options and you magnify your returns. That is also a good way to play long-term investing in any stock, and with the premiums not being too bad right now for CLOV, if that is your strategy, then that might work out for you as well. Me personally, I am playing this as a trade. I bought option calls. I notified the Patreon, the Discord, and we are already up 50+% on those options because we got into this at around $7.50 and then it started to take off. If we take a look at the 5-day chart for CLOV, you can see that this was basically in AMC's prime with that short squeeze, and it had a nice little bump. It did take some of that back, just like all the other short interest stocks did, but not as much as some of the others, and it is rebounding quite nicely. So this is still set up for a short squeeze, in my personal opinion. I really like the risk reward ratio here, especially consider that there is a value play here as well. The company is growing revenue at around 20% and it's trading at a price to sales ratio of around 4. So it's not overvalued, but it is a SPAC. It needs to prove itself. It's in the health sector field, which isn't getting so much love right now, but there are multiple reasons why I think that this stock can go up and why I am playing it. You know, when you invest or trade in the stock market, you're not going to be right all the time. You just need to find opportunities that are nice, and this is a nice opportunity if you ask me. But anyways, guys, that wraps it up for this video. It's a quick one because I gotta go to a wedding, but I love spending time with you guys. If you like this video and the content that I am providing, please consider hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell, and smashing that like button. And what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Join the Patreon, join the Discord, and let's chat daily to find opportunities to invest in. Let's make money together. And that is why this channel is not called I Am Investing. It is called We Are Investing, because I am all about creating a community of investors and traders where we make money together, we learn together, and we grow together. But with all of that being said, mi gente, adios, and I will catch you on the flip side. It's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun, and this is We Are Investing. And together, we are invincible. Dale!